keep it steady on the road. Just watch, got me running for the checks. I just put in work, got me feeling like I'm next. Like,
what up, people? Y'all know what it is, Jada Boy. We here. So now I'm about to go to somebody's house real quick, and then we're gonna ride out to go to the beach. And I will be, the sun is so bright I cannot even see. I will be recording everything, and I'll be getting some videotape there, and with the new camera, the new lens, and see how it goes. And y'all know what it is. We out here living life, doing the right stuff. Y'all know, you know, we're out here just being positive, spreading the love, and keeping everything going on. So I love you guys, and let's go to the beach. See, I know what it is, long hair flow. I look like a damn jungle man. I look like a jungle man. The hair, yeah, it's getting wild. You know, we out here just really enjoying life. I feel like I'm on my own resort island, chilling, but you know, it's beautiful. Like, her family got a nice house on the beach, private. You know, I mean, it's beautiful out here. So we're just chilling. Maybe go eat later or something like that. But yeah, I'll check in with y'all later. What it do? Y'all know what it is. It's Jada Boy. We here. We at the beach, the private location. I mean, I don't know if y'all see that, but there's a jellyfish right there. Like, I'm not trying to get stung, but you see it? It's right there. Like, yeah, so we're in this private location. It's so beautiful. Honestly, it's so beautiful. Like, I wouldn't say a private resort, but yeah, it's so beautiful. So I mean, we just out here chilling, having a good time. Yeah, but I mean, Violet's about to try to get a bucket, see if we can catch it and get a closer look at it. But y'all know, I hope y'all can see it. Like, I really hope. Like, it's so clear. Like, oh shit. Like, it's pretty clear, but I mean, I swear, see why? That's why I don't like going to the beach, man. I'm telling you, I got stung by jellyfish one time. So like, these stuff freak me out. But yeah, it's just chilling right here. I don't know if it's dead, cause I don't know if things are. Honestly, I don't know how you know if these things are dead. Like, it keeps pumping. I think the waves are too high right now. But yeah, so when she comes back, I will turn it back on because she's trying to catch it, and then we'll see how it goes. Out here, beautiful day, beautiful day. Oh crap, it's showing me to keep an eye on it. Okay, I almost lost it. Okay, see you on a little bit. Whoa, what the, oh hell, oh my gosh, there's so many here. Now she's trying to walk away because she's not gonna catch it. So she just stepped on one actually. Come back, come back. You're gonna have to catch it. I think she's done. I think she's done because she just actually stepped on one. That's the crazy part about it. Like, literally, see, why I'm telling you. That's why I don't go in the water. See, this is why I don't go in the water. I don't know where it is. Now she's scared to go back in the water. You'll be fine. We just gotta find it. At least catch that one. Oh, it's right here. I think it's dead. Cause do it for the video. They want to get it. Come on. Okay, where's the bucket? Listen, I'm scared of jellyfish, but I'm about to get it. We're gonna do this. Hope I don't get stung. If I get stung, I'm suing this private resort place. But we're gonna see if I can get this. Don't know. I mean, this is the bucket. She said don't die. Thanks. So I'm gonna try to find it. Okay, I just pissed my pants. Oh shit. Cause they're so clear, you don't know where they are. Oh my gosh. Like, how you supposed to know where it is? Like, how are you supposed to know? Can you like help me to find it? She's over there chilling. Look at her. Chilling. Oh, can't. Damn, she's so beautiful. Yeah, but can't find it. Yeah, remember when I told you I felt something by my feet? I knew I felt something by my feet. I told you. So if I got stung, it's your fault. You'd have to be the one that tell my mom and my family that, yeah, he got stung by a jellyfish. But sis, yeah, we gotta find this. Gotta get to the video. Oh shit. Okay. So I found it. I'm trying to catch it. It's right here. Don't even know if it's alive or not. Oh shit. No, I didn't get it. I'm scared. You gonna catch it? Okay, you be the one to do it. Ah, you almost got it.
My problem is I do not want to die today.
No, I got you. I'll watch out for the other one. It's right there. He's trying to get it. Oh, it's right. Okay, you know what? Here. Oh shit, where'd it go? So I got it. Bam. You know, your boy had to do it. So I hope y'all see that. I don't know if it's alive or not. Let me take some more sun in there. Yeah, I don't know if it's alive. Can you?
Dead.
It's dead?
Yeah, it's dead.
Damn.
Just apart, I think.
Yeah, so she's a jellyfish killer. But yeah, so we got it. Probably gonna go inside, cook it up, make some jelly with it, you know. Some jelly. Have a peanut butter and jelly sandwich with real jelly. Already tastes good. Yeah, but like I said, man, this place is beautiful. I've never been here before, but it's nice. You know what? I'm gonna do a little music, a little special thing. Okay, so I kind of low-key feel stupid because I never really known that jellyfish had a hard kind of thing. Like, I hope y'all see that. It's like really like gelatin. Like,
They actually have body mass.
yeah, like, you know what? Don't listen to her. She's trying to make fun of me, but like, it's weird. Look, I think it's a guy. It has a penis.
Are there genders in jellyfish?
I think there's genders. How they gonna mate? So,
No, I'm sorry. They could be like autotrophic.
damn, I can't take it out. But yeah, y'all see it. It's jelly. No, I'm gonna stab it in the middle. Ooh, wow. I felt so bad. But yeah, damn, it's heavy. Oh, shit. Yeah, it's pretty heavy.
Feel good.
Oh, it's over. You know, it just splashed on me. I think I just officially killed it. But she's the first killer. Yeah, that one right over there, first killer. I'm second killer. So I get second-degree murder. She gets first-degree murder. I'm not sure that's how it works, but yeah.
I was like, I don't think that's how it works.
Y'all know what it is, Jada Boy. It's been a long day. We've been, oh damn, yeah, I got burnt today. I don't know what it is. I mean, it's been a beautiful day. I mean, the water's beautiful. You know, the one and only beautiful right there. Where's she at? I can't even zoom it. Yeah, she's sitting down right there, you know. She's beautiful, had a good day. Beautiful place. She took me to her family's house. You know, it's nice. I like it out here. But, you know, it's the end of the video. And I love you guys. And, you know, stay tuned. Great things coming for y'all. Y'all know what it is. Jada Boy. Keep it positive. Keep motivating. And keep spreading positivity. I love y'all. So I guess we got something to eat now. Plans changed. She decided to finally eat after I was starving. She tried to kill me. But she failed. Cause you know we gotta eat. Panera. What should I get? Don't know what to get. Trying to decide.
I already know what I want. This is my favorite place ever. Like, literally, my favorite place to eat. I don't know.
I need something that can fill me up. Oh, chicken. Yeah, half sandwich. Yeah, somebody get a drink. Don't know which one to get. Which one do you like? So comment down below and tell me which one you guys like. So I decided what I wanted to get. The chicken Alfredo. Never actually tried it. So this is the first time, and you know, she got, what is that, soup?
Yep.
Soup, I told her I couldn't eat soup right now, because
Too hungry.
I'm way too hungry. But she's enjoying her soup, so.
I don't have any children, but she call me dad. I've been low, I've been high, I've been agua, I've been dry. If you see me at the Fargo looking